Sending money securely and electronically is easier than you think. And today we'll show you how to do a wire transfer directly from your Chase bank account in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Chase online banking account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pay and Transfer section. It's usually located in the top navigation bar or on the side menu. From the drop-down menu, select Wire Transfer. This will take you to the Wire Transfer Initiation page. Now, you'll need to provide the recipient's information. This includes their full name, address, and bank name. Most importantly, you'll need the recipient's bank routing number and their account number. Double-check these very carefully as errors can cause delays or lost funds. Request this information from the recipient directly to ensure you have the correct details. Chase is not responsible for providing this information. Enter the amount you want to transfer in the designated field. Be sure to consider any associated wire transfer fees that Chase may charge. These fees can vary depending on whether it's a domestic or international wire transfer, so check Chase's fee schedule provided. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy before submitting. This is your last chance to catch any mistakes, so make sure everything is correct. Once you're confident, submit the wire transfer. You'll receive a confirmation message with a reference number. Keep this for your records. International transfers require additional information not listed. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a wire transfer from your Chase bank account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful banking tutorials.